Today, we will learn many new words from this story. If you listen carefully, your English listening skills will improve. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a powerful king named Rajan. He ruled a vast kingdom, had great wealth, and lived in a grand palace. However, he had one terrible habit: he wasted time. Instead of making wise decisions and helping his people, he spent his days sleeping late, enjoying feasts, and entertaining himself with music and dance. His ministers tried to advise him, saying, "Your Majesty, time is precious. If you do not use it wisely, you may lose everything." But the king laughed and said, "I am the ruler of this land. Time serves me, not the other way around." The kingdom slowly started falling into disorder. Farmers suffered, traders struggled, and soldiers became undisciplined. But the king continued wasting time, thinking he had endless days ahead. The visit of the old sage. One day, a wise old sage came to the palace. He had a long white beard, kind eyes, and a simple robe. He bowed and said, "O king, I have a secret to share with you, one that will make you the greatest ruler in history." The king, always eager for power, immediately became interested. "Tell me, sage, what is this great secret?" The sage smiled and said, "Meet me tomorrow morning at Sunrise by the river, and I shall tell you." The king wastes time again. The next morning, the king overslept as usual. When he finally woke up, the sun was already high in the sky. He hurried to the river, but the sage was nowhere to be found. Angry, the king sent his guards to find the sage. When they brought him back, the king shouted, "You promised to tell me a great secret. Why did you leave?" The sage calmly replied, "Your Majesty, I was waiting for you at Sunrise, but you did not value time. How can I teach you a great lesson when you do not respect the most important thing in life?" The king felt embarrassed, but he still wanted to hear the secret. "Tell me now, sage." The sage nodded and said, "I will tell you, but first, you must do one thing: hold this cup of water and walk around the palace. If you spill even a single drop, I will not reveal the secret." The test of focus. The king carefully took the cup filled with water and began walking. He moved slowly and cautiously, afraid of spilling even a drop. His eyes never left the cup. When he finished the task, the sage asked, "Tell me, Your Majesty, what did you see as you walked?" The king replied, "I saw nothing. I was too focused on the water to notice anything else." The sage smiled and said, "That, O king, is the great secret. Time is like this cup of water. If you do not focus on it, you will lose it without even realizing it. But if you use it wisely, you can achieve great things." The king suddenly understood. He had wasted years of his life, believing he had unlimited time.